Hey guys. Wow, this feels weird. First of all, I'm sorry that you're seeing my house this way, but let's be honest, this is how it looks a lot of the time. There's pillows everywhere because the kids were playing this morning, but I've also been working on laundry and I'm behind on laundry, so it's gonna take over my couch at least for today until I get it all put up tonight, because I have one more basket, but it's like a tall basket, so it's kind of like 1.5 baskets left to fold. But I've been doing this, so I need to get out of the house and break it in half, and I want to bring you guys with me to Hobby Lobby so I can shop for Christmas stuff. I'm ordering a tree on Amazon. It has really good reviews, but I'm not sure if I need 6 foot or 7.5 to go right here in this area. So I want to see them in real life to kind of gauge how, like, it's hard for me to gauge how tall that's going to look. I feel like 6 foot might be a little short. I'm not really sure. So anyways, I'm just going to figure that out today. I'm going to buy some new Christmas stuff, and I'm so excited. You guys, with everything that's gone on, to understand that you need to watch like the last video, but for everything that's going on, like, I really want 2 months of Christmas. I want to decorate the day after Halloween. I really feel like it's important to me this year to decorate super early, because I just need it, and I really want the 2 months of Christmas. And is anyone else in the situation where they walk into their house when it's decorated for Christmas and like their mood is just lifted? Because wholeheartedly, that's how I feel about Christmas. And I haven't been able to have like a fully decorated house since 2 or 3 Christmases ago. And this is my first year getting my own tree and buying all my own stuff that's like new to me. I did bring some stuff from Iowa, but I just feel like this is my first Christmas in this whole new chapter of life, and I'm so excited. So Tyler has a half day today, so I'm going to be going with him to help him with the hunting land. I promised him I'd help him get it ready if he would go to Hobby Lobby with me. So it's a trade-off. And I know that you guys are probably staring at this extension cord situation. We just need a longer cord, and we just haven't purchased one because it hasn't crossed my mind, I guess. But we need a different cord so we can like string it down the side, if that makes sense. It just looks, it doesn't look very good. But anyways, that's what we're gonna be doing today in the vlog. And I'm feeling kind of hot, like anxious, because I haven't vlogged in so long. And I don't like to say that like I'm out of practice, but I just feel like you get used to vlogging and it's like second nature. And now I feel like, I hope this is no one's first time ever seeing me on here. Hopefully this isn't the first video, because I swear I'll have it put together at some point. But yeah, so he's almost here and I'm so excited.
I have never felt home till you entered my door, and from that moment I knew that a home is whatever you choose. That's the thing about you. The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in. From that moment I knew that you were all I missed. Baby, it took just one kiss, 'cause here in your arms I can finally.
I just really want to go to Hobby Lobby. What color ornament should we do this year? Somebody is not in the Christmas spirit. I'm so bored. They're gonna know. They're gonna know that the deers are gonna know this box is here. Guess what? I went to Hobby Lobby. I did not vlog it because it was a madhouse in there, and it was kind of overwhelming because there was a lot of people in there. But I'm going to show you guys everything that I purchased. I bought a new tree and it already came in from Amazon because it's been a couple days since that day. Anyways, a story of my life whenever I'm filming, right? But I got this 7.5 foot tree from Amazon, like a flocked tree. And I went to Hobby Lobby in the last clip that you saw, and or right after the last clip that you saw. And I started thinking about how last year I remember going in there looking for specifically Grinch stuff, and it was all gone. And I think I went like in the middle of November. So it being a week before Halloween, I'm like, okay, if I go now, maybe I can get some stuff. And I was able to get like everything that I wanted. And I'm really excited about it because I've always loved the Grinch trees because a lot of people have done them and they're super cute. And I was able to get my hands on like a ton of Grinch stuff. And y'all know this is kind of like a very special moment for me to have like my first Christmas in my own house with my tree and picking out what I want for it. And it's just very special. This is our first time here as a family having our own tree. And I am so excited. So I'm going to get all this stuff out of my closet and I'm going to show you guys what I got. Yay. I do want to say that I'm going to link the tree that I bought because for a 7.5 foot tree that's flocked, it's actually an amazing price. I think it was like $175, and the ones at Hobby Lobby were like $300, and that was with their discount of like half off. And the tree that I have is awesome quality. It has the best reviews, and Amazon got it here in 4 days. I'm super happy that I went this direction because I almost bought one at Hobby Lobby and I was like, oh my gosh, I found the one on Amazon, so I just took a chance on it because the reviews were outstanding. And you guys will see it. I'm going to film putting up the Christmas tree and make it its own video because it's special to me. And I guess I realize I'm putting it up November 1st, but like I said in the beginning of this video, I need my 2 months of Christmas. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I bought and I'm super excited about it. Super excited to spend my hard-earned money on this because, you know, you get it. Let's just zoom you in. Side note, these things up here, these pictures, I talked about them on Instagram, but not on here. If you guys are interested, I'll tell you about them, or maybe I'll just do it right now so I don't have to like come back and do it. But these are from Smallwoods, the company Smallwoods. They have ads like all over Facebook and Instagram. I had these made to hang up here because I needed something to fill this space, and I think it ended up being 20 bucks a piece because I bought 2 or more. And I put the lyrics, or not lyrics, the sheet music to the Office theme song, the Friends theme song, and then Hedwig's theme from Harry Potter. Great Christmas gift idea. I think I'm going to get some, I can't say who it is because she might watch stuff. I'm going to get a friend of mine, I think her wedding song in this for Christmas. Cute idea. Okay, so first off, this is the least exciting, but I did get this ribbon mesh to go into the tree, and it's just white, but it does have kind of like this a little bit of glitter to it or shimmer to it, so it's gonna look really cute. Okay, these are all gonna be like the actual ball ornaments. Okay, so I got this deeper red, and they are shimmery. And then I grabbed these. I'm not 100% sure if I'm actually going to put these on there or not, but they're red, green, and white, and they have some glitter on them. Also got the matching, not matching, but the same kind of style in the green that matches that red. And I'm obsessed with these, you guys. These are totally Grinch to me, but they're these. They look like, I don't know, they remind me very much of the Grinch. They look like little green tinsel hairs. That is not the right name for it, but there's not a label. And it says they're shatterproof, but I kind of feel like that's a little bit obvious. But every ornament that I got supposedly is shatterproof, which I'm sure my twins will love to test out that theory and see if it actually works. And then I also got these big mamas over here. They are big and they are like full, they almost look like full paper on top of glitter, and they're huge. So I did get 2 boxes of these to kind of fill in space. I did want some different sized ornaments to kind of give the tree something extra, I guess. I don't know. I'm just kind of winging it at this point. I just knew I wanted red, white, and green with a little bit of silver. This is off topic. It's not really for the tree, but I think I'm going to put this in the house somewhere. But it's like little pieces of rubber. It's not very well made at all. And it has the little balls on there and this little star, but it kind of reminds me of like the Grinch, like the movie, and kind of how the scenery would be in the cartoon version. So I just picked this up. Max with his little Christmas hat on, the Grinch, and he lights up. Cindy Lou Who, and she lights up. I don't know if you can tell, but she does light up. Another one of her, super cute, naughty and nice ornaments. Grinchy. 2 more Grinches. I love this little one right here. Mr. Max. Okay, I also got, I think, 3 of these in this bag. 3 of these garlands, and it's shedding. Can you guys see that in the camera? Hopefully it's picking up the shedding. I didn't know how many I would need, so I went to one of the Christmas trees that was just like put up and kind of held them up there. So I bought 3 of them because I think that's about how many I will need. And so this was the best garland that I could find that wasn't full of glitter, but I'm starting to think that these fibers aren't going to be much better. And then I got a lot of these little whimsical pieces. I'm not going to pull every single one of them out. I got like 3 of each of these colors. And obviously you just kind of stick these in the top of the tree, or I guess wherever really you want it. I got a bunch of each of these as well. I did get each one of us one of these ornaments. So all 5 of us got one of these ornaments to go on the tree. And then I got this little, whatever you call it, little piece to put probably by that tree that I showed you guys. I just thought it was super cute with her, or him holding her. Last 2 things that I got. This pillow, I love it. I'm going to put it on the couch in a mix of other Christmas pillows that I have not purchased yet. I got all the tree stuff first because I will do my tree first and then kind of go back and decorate after that. And then on that white chair that I had that chair in Iowa. You guys saw it in my update video where I just updated it about life. The chair I was sitting in, this is the pillow that I'm going to put there. It says Merry Grinchmas, and I can always flip it over on the back and use the other side as well. But obviously with the theme kind of being more Grinchy this year, I'm going to use this pillow. I think my twins are awake from their nap. Literally perfect timing because I just finished showing you guys all this. But I feel like they're coming. Are they out of bed? Well, what perfect timing for the twins to wake up, because that's everything that I bought for the tree. I will link the tree that I got. I'll link it here so you guys can look at it, but you'll be able to see it for real whenever I decorate my actual tree, which will be the next video, is me decorating the Christmas tree. I'm so excited. I know I keep saying it, but I'm just so excited for the holiday season. After everything that we've been through this year, this is just like my favorite time of year anyway, but it's just kind of amplified because of everything that's gone on. And with it being like my first time buying a tree, putting it up, and just buying like all new things to go. Not everything will be new, but a lot of it will be new. I cannot think of anything better to spend my money on right now than giving my kids like a Christmas that hopefully at least the oldest one will remember. I'm so excited, you guys, and I cannot wait to put that video up for you guys and wake up to my Christmas tree up. I'm so excited. I will see you guys in the next video where we decorate the tree. I realize it's kind of early, I know that, but I know some of you guys also decorate early, so hopefully you can play it while you decorate your tree, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.